Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you Abby for our cute decorations. We are now going to make placemats for them to sit on. These are woven placemats. I just have some cardstock here. Measure out the cardstock long ways, so horizontal with your ruler. One shot across, make the line. So just like so, and now you're going to go the opposite way with your ruler up to that line. All the way across. And this is how it should come out. Then you're going to cut up to the line, making strips. I've already done some here. We're going to do this one. You don't want them to come off, so stop at that top point. And with a second color of paper, you're going to make lines with your ruler across horizontally as well. The full page. This is what we're going to weave in between the other color. So your page should start to fill up like this. And you're going to cut the strips off. One sheet should do ya. So you come out with strips like this. Now let's get to weaving. It's an in-out method, back and forth, okay? So you can start whichever way you prefer first. Just gonna go up and down. Over, under, and bring it all the way to the top. Keep going all the way down. The opposite way. Let me see here. There we go. So you're going to do that all the way down, and you should have an end result like this. And to keep those on there, just a simple piece of Scotch tape at the bottom. Like so. So if you flip it over, that's the side that you drew the line on. To have a fresh side, you could do this and write Happy Thanksgiving, or draw some pumpkin pie, or even your family name. Thanks for watching.